Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. I am Neeraj sir. We are going to study general knowledge, know for sure, standard 8th. We have already discussed the first topic that is out of this world in the previous video. Today we will see the next very interesting topic that is the mighty dinosaurs. So, first, you should know the meaning of the word mighty. Mighty means what? Mighty means anything possessing a great and impressive power or strength, especially because of size. For example, dinosaurs have the same thing. They are powerful, they are attractive, they are having very large size. And some similar words for mighty is fearsome, ferocious, big, tough, robust, manful, etc. Now, this chapter is very interesting. I'm sure that you all will enjoy this video. So please watch the complete video so that you will understand it properly. So students, let us start our topic, the mighty dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, long before there were any people, there were dinosaurs. And the largest dinosaurs were over 30 meters long and up to 15 meters tall. The smallest dinosaurs were about the size of a chicken. Dinosaurs were reptiles and most hatched from eggs. No one knows for sure how dinosaurs sounded or what color they were. Some dinosaurs were plant eaters, that is herbivorous, which you have seen in the previous class. Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Human beings are which type of organisms? Omnivorous, because they can eat both veg and non-veg. Some dinosaurs were meat eaters known as carnivorous. Now the other information regarding the dinosaurs is given in this slide. As you can see, the dinosaur era. So most of the dinosaurs occurred in the Mesozoic area, which is 225 million to 65 million years ago. So in this Mesozoic era, there are again three types: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. So you might have seen that movie Jurassic Park. So most of the giant dinosaurs are seen in the Jurassic era. So students, let us start the first type of dinosaur, that is Brachiosaurs. The Brachiosaurs is a type of dinosaur known as a sauropod. They are famous for reaching incredible sizes. The name Brachiosaurs come from Greek words meaning arm and lizard. So in this, Brachio means arm and saurus means lizard. So arm lizard. Can you see this dinosaur is looking like some other animal? Yes, it is looking like giraffe. Its neck is looking like giraffe, but its tail is looking like a lizard. So can you see all the dinosaurs having a common thing, that is the tail. The tail is looking like a lizard. That's why all these dinosaurs are coming under the family of a lizard. So this Brachiosaur was a herbivore. It was one of the tallest and largest dinosaurs. It had a long neck and a small head. Brachiosaurs walked on four legs. They may have lived for 100 years. And they were never eaten by any other dinosaur. Can you tell why? Yes, because of their size and their strength. Their size is very large. That's why all other dinosaurs are not having that much courage to fight against them. And they have a lot of power to fight against any dinosaur. That's why all other dinosaurs are staying away from this dinosaur. So students, let us see the next type of dinosaur, that is Stegosaurus. You can see the interesting GIF image of Stegosaurus. So the Stegosaurus is the most famous dinosaur from a group of dinosaurs known as Stegosauria. The name Stegosaurus comes from the Greek word stegos meaning roof and saurus means lizard. So here this stegos means what? Roof, and saurus means lizard. So it is also known as roof lizard. So Stegosaurus is having various amazing facts. One of that is its brain was the size of walnut. It was a herbivorous, although it is looking very dangerous, but it was a herbivorous. And Stegosaurus didn't have many teeth. It had a beaky mouth and a little teeth in its cheek area. They had a powerful tail which was covered in spikes for defense. You can see this tail is having powerful spikes for defense purpose. And it also has some plates at its back. So these plates are regulating its body temperature. Now some more things about Stegosaurus are given in this slide. So you can take a screenshot for information. So students, let us see the next type of dinosaur, that is Tyrannosaurus, commonly known as Tyrannosaurus rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the largest of the land predator dinosaurs, and the T Rex measured up to 43 feet long and weighed as much as 7.5 tons. The dinosaur is often used in movie and films such as Jurassic Park due to its size and overall fearsome image. It walked on two legs, therefore it is known as bipedal dinosaur. These two legs were large and strong to carry the immense weight of dinosaur, and the arms of this dinosaur were relatively small, although it is thought that the small arms were very strong in order to hold on to prey. Some more important facts of this dinosaur are: the Tyrannosaurus rex, that is T Rex, had a lifespan of around 30 years, and the word Tyrannosaurus is from the Greek word meaning tyrant lizard. The dinosaur has many similar features to birds. Its arms were too short to reach its mouth. It lived in North America in river valleys and forest. It could probably eat as much as 500 pounds of meat in single bite. The Chicago Museum purchased the famous Tyrannosaurus fossil for $8 million. Their babies may have been covered in feathers. So these were some information about the dinosaur, that is Tyrannosaurus. So let us move further. Students, our next type of dinosaur is Velociraptor, which was a carnivorous. Velociraptor is one of the most bird-like dinosaurs ever discovered. It was small and fast, and the sickle-shaped claw on the second toe of each foot made it formidable predator. The special bone in its wrist allowed it to swivel its wrist sideways in flapping motion and to fold its arm against its body like a bird. It has hollow bones so that it can run fast. Let us see some more interesting, amazing facts of Velociraptor. The name Velociraptor means swift seizure. Velociraptor lived in the late Cretaceous period around 73 million years ago. The Velociraptor played a large role in the Jurassic Park movies but was often showed inaccurately. A fully grown Velociraptor could have grown up to 2 meter and in length and 0.5 meter in height. The Velociraptor is thought to have killed its prey with sickle-shaped claws on its rear feet. The first known Velociraptor fossil was found in the Mongolian Gobi Desert in 1922. So this is all about the Velociraptor. Let us see the next type of dinosaur. And next type of dinosaur is Giganotosaurus. Giganotosaurus was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaur. And let us see some facts of this dinosaur. Until Giganotosaurus was discovered, Tyrannosaurus rex was thought to be the longest meat-eating dinosaur. Giganotosaurus lived 30 million years before Tyrannosaurus rex, and it had a brain the size of a banana. Giganotosaurus walked on two legs, that is, it is a bipedal. Although it is uncertain whether it was a fast or slow dinosaur. Giganotosaurus used its knife-like teeth to cut slices into sauropods, which are its prey. So the next dinosaur is Caudipteryx. Caudipteryx was a small dinosaur that lived in the early Cretaceous period about 125 million years ago. Fossils of animal were first discovered in China during the late 1990s. Caudipteryx was about 3.5 feet, means nearly 1 meter long, and had a mixture of bird-like and reptile-like feathers. It had sharp claws and a beak with a sharp teeth. Its mouth is similar to birds, and it is a herbivore. So students, we have seen some type of dinosaurs. There are various other types of dinosaurs, but we have seen some of the major types. Now, people were not alive when dinosaurs were around. So how do you think we know all about dinosaurs? So the answer lies in the fossils. Lots and lots of fossils of dinosaurs were buried underground, and many archaeologists found that fossils somewhere That's why we get information by studying their bones and their different body parts. Archaeologists found some dinosaur claws. They were very sharp so that the dinosaurs could kill their prey. These claws belong to the meat-eating dinosaur. And some fossils, they have found the eggs laid by the Heterosaurs and other dinosaurs. So in this way, we came to know about the dinosaurs. Students, let us discuss some information about extinction of dinosaurs. So there are various theories regarding extinction of dinosaurs, but no theory has a scientific proof. So extinction of dinosaurs is still a mystery. So first is asteroids. So many paleontologists believe that there is an asteroid attack on the earth. Dinosaurs went to extinct after a huge meteorite crashed on earth near the Gulf of Mexico. And many researchers say that dinosaurs became extinct because they are not able to adjust with the environment, means they are not able to adapt themselves with the changing conditions, so that's why they died. And some theories suggest that they died due to imbalances in food chain. And many researchers also believe that they died because of the volcanic eruption, and due to this volcanic eruption a lot of poisonous gases are evolved and they died. And some theories say that they died because of the earthquake. So this is the some information about the extinction of dinosaurs. Now in this way we have completed this topic, that is the mighty dinosaurs. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and we will discuss the other topic in the next video. Thanks students for watching the video. Take care. Have a good day.